Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Speak. I'm Alex, and today we have a fun practice session. We're going to practice English questions and answers. Here's how it works. I'll say a question. You repeat it. Then I'll say the answer, and you repeat that too. This way, you learn both sides of a real conversation. Copy my sound, my speed, and my rhythm. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak out loud. Find a quiet place and let's begin. Listen and repeat after me. Part 2. Let's start with introductions. Repeat after me. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Alex.
My name is Alex. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from New York. I'm from New York. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 25. I'm 25. Great job! Let's keep going. Part 3. Getting to know you too. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live downtown. I live downtown. Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies? I love reading. I love reading. Wonderful! You're doing great! Part 4. How are you? Now, how are you questions? Repeat after me. How are you? How are you? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. How's it going? How's it going? Pretty good, thanks. Pretty good, thanks. How was your day? How was your day? It was really nice. It was really nice. Excellent. Keep going. Part 5. Time and date. Now, time and date. Repeat after me. What time is it? What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. What day is it today? What day is it today? It's Monday. It's Monday. What's the date today? What's the date today? It's the 10th. It's the 10th. Perfect. You sound natural. Part 6. Making plans. Now, making plans. Repeat after me. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? I'm going to work. I'm going to work. Do you want to hang out? Do you want to hang out? Sure, that sounds fun. Sure, that sounds fun. What time should we meet? What time should we meet? How about 6? How about 6? Great work. Let's continue. Part 7. At a restaurant. Now, questions at a restaurant. Repeat after me. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? The pasta is great. The pasta is great. Can I get the check? Can I get the check? Of course. One moment. Of course. One moment. Beautiful. You're doing so well. Part 8. Shopping. Now, shopping questions. Repeat after me. How much is this? How much is this? It's $10. It's $10. Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in blue? Yes, right over here. Yes, right over here. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Sure, the fitting room is there. Sure, the fitting room is there. Fantastic. Keep practicing. Part 9. Directions. Now, asking for directions. Repeat after me. Where is the station? Where is the station? It's down the street. It's down the street. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? No, it's close. No, it's close. How do I get there? How do I get there? Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner. Great job. You're almost halfway. Part 10. At work. Now, questions at work. Repeat after me. Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? A little. What's up? A little. What's up? Can we talk later? Can we talk later? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Did you finish the report? Did you finish the report? Yes, it's all done. Yes, it's all done. Excellent. Keep going. Part 11. Food and drink. Now, food and drink questions. Repeat after me. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Let's get some pizza. Let's get some pizza. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Yes, please. Yes, please. Wonderful. You're doing amazing. Part 12. Weekend and free time. Now, weekend questions. Repeat after me.
What did you do this weekend?
What did you do this weekend? I stayed home and relaxed. I stayed home and relaxed. Do you have any plans? Do you have any plans? Not really. Not really. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? I like watching movies. I like watching movies. Great work! Almost there. Part 13. Now, asking for help. Repeat after me. Can you help me? Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Of course. What do you need? What does this mean? What does this mean? It means happy. It means happy. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Fantastic. One more set. Part 14. Feelings and opinions. Now, feelings and opinions. Repeat after me. How do you feel? How do you feel? I feel great. I feel great. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. What do you think? What do you think? I think it's great. I think it's great. Beautiful. Let's finish strong. Part 15. Confidence Q&A. Now let's finish with confidence. Repeat after me. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Do you practice every day?
Do you practice every day? Yes, every single day. Yes, every single day. Are you getting better? Are you getting better? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Amazing work. Part 16. Wow, you did such a great job today. You practiced so many questions and answers. I'm really proud of you. Remember, the secret is simple. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day will make a huge difference. Come back and shadow with me often. Here's your homework. In the comments below, answer this question in English. Where are you from? I read every single comment. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak for more speaking practice. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.